Estimating construction projects doesn't have to be complicated. With BLDON, you can measure, calculate, and quote all in one place. BLDON is an AI-driven, cloud-based construction estimation platform that helps you measure quantities from drawings, convert them into accurate costs, and generate professional, client-ready quotes. All in one system. Unlike manual estimation, which is time-consuming and prone to errors, digital estimation in BLDON saves time, reduces mistakes, and allows instant updates whenever drawings change. First, Takeoff. This is where quantities such as length, area, or count are measured directly from construction drawings. Estimation is the next step, where those quantities are converted into cost by applying material, labor, and other expenses. Finally, quotation is the client-facing output, presenting the estimated price in a clear and professional format. In BLDON, this entire workflow is connected. Drawings flow into Takeoff. Takeoff flows into the calculator, and the calculator generates the quote. So any change in quantity automatically updates the cost. In the next lesson, we'll start by creating your first project in BLDON.